Hey guys, in this video I will give a full tutorial on how to create a website using Carrot. So first of all, you want to tap on create a new site, and here you can select if you want to use a blank canvas or if you want to use a pre-made template. For example, if you want a profile or a link in bio website, you can tap on profile right here and you can see this demo. So for example, tap on this demo. And as you can see, so you can tap on select if you want to use it. Maybe for example, use this one. So tap on select, just like this. And right now, this is a demo. You can change everything you see on this website, from the background to the colors, literally everything. So let's start by adding in new things. For example, tap on this plus button, and here you can add text, lists, images, buttons, videos, links, etc. You can add a lot. If you want to use premium things, I recommend you using the code BF. So let me see, BF 2023 for 40% off using the link in my description. So you get a nice deal. Basically you can add everything you want. Let's for example add text, and for example you can say follow me on these platforms, and then add links. Of course you can change this, you can change the icon, you can change the link, you can add new sections, new divider, just like this. You can change this divider, you can change the color, you can change the orientation from horizontal to vertical, like this. You can change the style, the size, the thickness, margins, alignment, and just like this, you can change basically everything. And let's for example change the background. So just tap on the background, so tap right here, and then you can change the style, for example from gradient to a single color, or back to gradient, and you can change the colors just like this, and change the angle. You can change the pattern a bit, and an animation if you want. For example, a fade in, and then you can add a delay and a duration, and then you can select the fade in color, for example red, and then you can preview it by tapping on this preview animation button, as you can see, just like this. And you can preview how it looks on mobile. Wait, tap on this. So this is your site on mobile, just like this. And if you want to save it, so if you want to save your site, tap on this one, and you need to add a title. So let me add a site title. Then you need to add a description. And then you can either publish it to a card.co URL. So for example, this is a test.card.co, or you can save it as an online draft, so it's not publicly visible, and then tap on save. So I hope this video was kind of helpful. If you have any questions, just let me know. You can do basically everything in this in this tool and this software, because it's absolutely amazing. You can add links. Again, I will show you very quick. You can change this label, for example tap here, and then you can change the URL, for example google.com. then for example add blank. If you add this behind the URL, the link will open a new tab. You can see colors, and when people are hovering over that link, you can change the hover color, just like this, as you can see. So yeah, it's absolutely insane. You can also change the on click, but that's premium. So again, if you want to upgrade to a premium plan for just $5 per year using the code or the link in my description below, it's only $5 and you can use all the premium features. So I hope this video was kind of helpful. If so, please subscribe to the channel, and I see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.